Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got really inspired to do this eyeshadow tutorial. Spring is in the air and I am loving the warm temperatures that we're finally getting. And I got really inspired to do a spring look. And what better colors to indicate spring's in the air than pink and yellow. I really like how this look came out and I wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you guys how I came up with it. I will be using two eyeshadow palettes for this look. Now, some of you might have already seen this eyeshadow palette, but for those of you who haven't, I will be using the Cake palette from Glamlite. It's a very colorful, beautiful palette. I did do an in-depth review of this palette, and I'll place the video card up above in case if you want to see that video. The second eyeshadow palette I will be using is this one here from Cara Beauty, and this one is the Summer Stunna eyeshadow palette. Very colorful as well. So both of these palettes are perfect for spring or summer. So right before we get started, for those of you who are new, hi, welcome. My name is Norma and I love doing beauty videos. So if those are your kind of videos, consider subscribing and don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified of upcoming videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Of course, and I can't forget, for those of you already subscribed, thanks so much for joining me for another video. I'm really glad to see you. All right, so if you're ready for the eyeshadow tutorial, then stick around. So the shade that I'm going in with is called Sunny's On, and that is from my Cara Beauty eyeshadow palette. And I'm using the Cara Beauty brush in K17. I love this brush, really helps spread the transition color throughout. And this color, the Sunny's On, it's a perfect color for spring. So between, I want to say, an orange and pink, really pretty. Now I'm going in with my Sigma E25 brush, and I'm going to be putting in Hot Girl Summer from the Cara Beauty eyeshadow palette as well. And the Hot Girl Summer is a bit darker than the Sunny's On, and you do want to put in a darker color on the crease, just because you really do want to differentiate the two colors, the transition and crease color, to give some contrast, some in-depth color. And I'm going in now with my E33 Sigma brush, which is a detail diffused brush for either for the crease or the outer corner. And I'm going in with Tiki Tiki from the Cara Beauty palette as well. So Tiki Tiki is a bit darker than the crease and the transition shade. I want to say it's between a fuchsia and a red. Just a really pretty color again for spring. And you really want to pack it in on the outer corner to really darken and define that outer corner, so it kind of really stands out. And I'm going in now with my P. Louise base in Rumor Zero. I love this base. When you do cut creases with this, really helps bring out the color in the eyeshadow. Whether you're using shimmers or just regular eyeshadows, they really pop out. Now, I really love this banana color. That's what it's called, banana, from my Cake palette. Look how vibrant it is. It's just so metallic looking. And just pack it in. So I'm just trying to focus and stay in the shape. Now I'm going in with my E42 Sigma brush. It's another Precision Firm Blender brush. And I'm just repacking the Tiki Tiki color. Since I just finished putting the shimmer, I really want to darken that outer corner. So there's really some really bold contrast between those two shades. And I'm blending everything out with my E40 Sigma brush. You just really want to blend and make everything look seamless and clean. And I'm reapplying Tiki Tiki on the lower lash. Now this is one of my favorite eyeliners. This is the NYX's Epic Ink Liner. And I love this eyeliner. For one, I love the felt tip. It's really precise. It helps a lot with that. And it's waterproof. And The color is dark. I love the bold dark color. Now I'm going in with Roots with my gel liner, and I'm going to put that on my waterline, and I'm going in with Kat Von D, the color Haus. I think it's called Haus or Bauhaus. I'll put it down in the description. Really pretty color, really bold. And I'm using Huda Beauty eyelashes, and this is the Sasha eyelashes, and I believe it's either an 8 or an 11, but again I'll put it down in the description box. And here's the completed look. I really love how this look came out. I love the bold colors. They scream out spring. It's just so pretty. I hope you guys like it. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon in a different video. Bye.